First of all, I want to thank everyone who watched my previous video, subscribe me and like me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful feather crop top. Before we start our project, I want to do some recommendation. So whenever you start this feather on the top, just make sure the feather direction is against the waist of fabric direction, not on the same with the same direction. Because if you saw like my recommendation, so your feather is going to be like opening feeling. It's not going to be like a zoning feeling. That makes sense? If not, please let me know and I will let you know. So I ended up using the chin as my strap because I tried to use the purse strap, but it's come off from my shoulder. It's not really comfortable. It's always come off. It's not really fitting my body. If you guys find some better way than my way, please let me know. I think the chin because it's smaller. You can hold the top of the crop top on my shoulder. So the other thing, when you sew every like clothing or anything, just make sure iron the fabric all the time. Then the last tip is when you sew like around the edge, make sure it comes to the end of the fabric. So this is going to be easier when you sew. Now it's time to show you how to make this beautiful feather crop top.
Today I'm going to show you how to make my feather top without any pattern. First of all, you need to find some of the strap dress or strap shirt and lay on your fabric on the top of the dress. And then decide with the size, how tall, how long, how wide you want. Just different person's opinion, whatever you like. So you cut the fabric as your ideal size. Then twist all the edge around your dress or your shirt. Once you twist, make sure you need to leave ½ inch as your sew edge, which means you need to make a little bit larger than the sew edge you want. I will show you. See, I twist around that edge. I leave ½ inch as a sew edge, larger than the one I want. So I'm cutting in through the fabric. Then I twist again. I just twist half of the size the shirt. So later you can cut on the fold, so you can get the same the other size. You don't need to twist the whole fabric. You fold it, fold in half and cut the twist. You just twist and then cut in half. Yeah, just make sure you leave ½ inch as your sew edge. So yeah, this is my top shirt fabric. Yeah, I cut it, everything what I like. This is the front, and do the same as the back. Just turn your dress the other side and then cut it in. This is my back. So I cut the back as I want, like this, and I laid on my front, and so I can know how long of the feather I need. So I cut the feather what I need, the size, and make sure sew the feather under the fold of the edge of the fabric. See, I fold the fabric first, and so yeah, I fold the fabric first and then put the feather under the fabric fold. And so this is going to be the front. I'm sewing on the front. Make sure the size is correct. Otherwise, your top is going to be look like weird. So this can make your feather like a volume feeling. After you finish that, I'm sewing all the edge of my top, just like this. So I sew all the edge around, so I don't have a rough edge once I finish the shirt. Here you go. It's the front. I finish it. So do the same as your back. Sew the edge of the fabric. And your shoulder part too. So now because the shoulder has a little bit of curve, so I cut, you see the cut a little bit, so I can easier to sew around. Whenever we sew around the edge, we usually cut the fabric like that, so we can sew easily like this. I fold this inside and sew all the way around, so your fabric won't stretch from this way. Okay, so now it's ready to sew two sides together. So make sure you make your fabric on wrong side. This is the wrong side, and put them together and sew them together. Now I'm connecting two sides together to make my pretty feather top. And I trimmed the edge a little bit. It's too wide, so I trimmed a little bit. And do the same on the other side. Now is the time to make my bead strap. I already made on the other side, so now I'm making my left side. You can use a longer needle if you want to wire the bead together, but you don't have to. You can use any type of needle. I have a longer needle for that. So I get this idea to have my bead strap because I have some beads around, and I thought, oh, that might be a best choice to make the bead strap. So once you finish the strap of the bee, then you need to sew them together on the top edge of the top. This is how you connect them together. You also can make something similar like the bra strap, so you can remove it if you don't want to, but from this project, I think the sew them together will be best. See, this is my final DIY feather top. It's really pretty. The feather is fluffy and around the edge is so cute.
Everyone, thank you so much to watching my second YouTube video. If you like, please subscribe me and share my video to everyone. Next week, I'm going to show you guys how to make bead centers at your home with $5 budget. See you guys. Bye.